Hi, I'm Troy.
I'm Markay with things to do and places to see in South Carolina.
Join us as we discover some unusual bushes and trees created by Pearl Fryar. Hello, today we're in Bishopville, South Carolina, where...
Come and listen to a story about a man named Pearl. You should see what he can do with bushes in a twirl. He's got a lot of talent in his hands, that guy. He's made of something special on the ground up to the sky. If you think that topiaries could be sort of lame, you should know this garden is amongst a world of fame. Due to what he's done to his bushes and his trees, Pearl has brought the horticulture world into their knees. Because the plants are not supposed to do what Pearl has done, thus he's turned the ordinary into something fun. Yeah.
Girl, I had no idea you had all of that in you.
Neither did I. But according to Pearl Fryar, everybody has a talent.
Nice.
Located off Interstate 20 between Columbia and Florence is the small town of Bishopville, South Carolina. And just outside the town city limits is the oddly unique Pearl Fryar Topiary Garden. How does a man with only a C average in high school and no college degree become internationally famous and cause people from all over the world to visit his yard? With talent, that's how. And according to Pearl Fryar, everybody has one. In the early 1980s, Pearl discovered his talent after he set out to win Yard of the Month. Looking for exceptional shrubs, he went to a local plant nursery and found something he'd never seen before, a topiary. The owner gave Pearl a 3-minute lesson, and from that brief study came all of this. Word spread of Pearl's talents, and in 2006, an award-winning documentary called A Man with Pearl premiered at the Heartland Film Festival. From then on, Pearl was in demand as a speaker to art groups, gardening clubs, and at schools, where he inspires children to follow their dreams. Pearl enjoys having people wander amongst his garden, but more than that, he wants his garden to convey the message of love, peace, and goodwill. You can visit his garden for free. However, if you make a donation, the funds are used primarily as scholarships for local students. Additionally, many other neighbors on the same street have adopted Pearl's concept, and they too have some elaborately shaped bushes in their yards.
Offbeat Discoveries has just had the pleasure of meeting someone from out of town. Imagine that. What's your names?
My name is Jim.
And Pat.
Jim and Pat, who are passing through on their way back to Florida. In between Florida and New York, was it? Or New...
Buffalo and Pittsburgh.
So Buffalo and Pittsburgh. So they've come down here to see the gardens, and they're having a marvelous time. And maybe we'll see you on Offbeat Discoveries. Have a good time.
Thank you.
You know, I've never really been a fan of seeing gardens, but that was incredible.
I know, right? I think we should give this one 2 big trees.
I can do that.
Thanks for joining our travels. We'll see you on our next Offbeat Discovery.
Bye. You know, I've never really been a fan of seeding gardens.
Seeding gardens. Well, that's good because you.
Yeah, right. I didn't
you
seed
aren't growing
anything.
anything.
Yeah. You know.
You know what? I know. Do you know?
You know, I've got this bug flying around.
Hey, it's not in your mouth.
Right.